3, 2, 1, let's go! Hello everybody, this is Hans Gabriel Cabreto. Spending again daddy's money and mommy's money on a Temu parcel.
Temu? This is Amazon.
Amazon pala. Spending money on Amazon. Pero this is his Christmas present.
No! You're from Bobby.
Gab, bawal ang nag-spend ng madami, dapat eksakto lang. So titingnan natin kung ano ba binili ni Gab sa Amazon.
Ayaw mo cookie?
Sige, yan naman na. Yan. So, mystery gift na alam naman niya, number 1.
See?
Oh.
What?
Hindi, okay lang yan. So, patingin ng smiley. Alam niyo na yung logo na yan, smiley.
A to Z Amazon.
Hindi, dyan gamitin yung scissors. Yan, hindi marunong mag-cut. Marunong. At nakat niya ang kanyang toy. Lagot. Ow! Kinat niya ang kanyang toy. Yan.
This is it?
So, toy number 1.
Oh. I pretty sure this glows in the dark.
Yeah. Ano yan?
3D printed dragon.
3D printed dragon. For how much?
Like 6 dirhams.
6 dirhams. Next is, walang ko yan. Again, it's a
3D printed what?
3D printed dragon. 3D printed dragon. Gift number 2. And another one, hulaan ko yan. Hulaan natin.
Oh.
It's another 3D
Printed
printed dragon.
Ew. Let's put some space.
Oh, tatlo na. Grabe naman.
Oh, 3 stickers.
Ano siya?
Oh, no.
Yan yung ano.
This is the one I ordered. 50 pieces Bible verses.
Yeah. And you're buying sa sa night market ng how much? 1 dirham for 1 sticker on. And another, wala natin. 3D printed dragon. Dami na.
Huh? No, I have to assemble it. I thought it was on my own. So I have to assemble it.
Kaya nga toy eh.
Most of the ones I bought, they're like assembled already.
Eh di ayaw mo nang merong part 2 yung yung video mo. Okay, ang part 2 video ni Gab ay assembled na itong, ano ba yan? Anong klaseng toy yan?
It's like,
Parang human yan, di ba?
yeah, it's like, I don't know how to explain. You'll see.
Sige. We'll wait na lang.
Tagal kasi ako.
And siyempre, don't forget to subscribe to Pinoy sa Dubai Diaries TV.
This one is,
Siyempre si Gab.
okay, so black, this is the first one. Second one is purple and black. Third one is
Orange and blue.
I'm pretty sure there was one more.
So, ang bottom line,
I'll do this one.
don't give your phone to your children because they will buy plenty of things sa Amazon. Okay guys, so see you sa next video. Papakita na ni Gab kung ano yung
Okay, let's go.
finished product. Okay, sige na. Bye ka na, Gab.
Bye.
And don't forget to